Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. A wild animal known for its distinctive black and white stripes. They are primarily found in the grasslands and savannas of Africa. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as zebra, 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 zebra. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as zebra, 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 zebra. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about zebras, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.